Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jojo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Iho. I love you. Sensya na, ngayon ko na nalaman to eh. So, ano akong ginagawa? Anyway, basta Iho, mahal na mahal kita. Kahit wala akong regalo ngayon sa'yo. Sana naiintindihan mo. Wala pa akong trabaho. Tsaka malayo ka. Tsaka, wala talaga akong pera ngayon. Basta Iho, happy birthday. Siguro isa na ako sa isa mga luckiest girl talaga in the world for having found a man like you. Alam mo yun, kanayabang, nagsuplado, hindi ako lotni. Hindi, all those qualities talaga minahal ko sa'yo lahat yun. And wala lang, I'm just happy and looking forward to spending my life with you. You're the perfect man for me, and I'm so thankful that I have found you. No, actually, I'm so thankful that you have found me. Yabang, no? Pero hindi talaga. Basta thankful ako for all these years of being with you. Yun, gave me direction in life. And somehow alam ko na patinungo ko na mas behave ako. Diba? Basta, alam mo, sobrang mahal kita. And basta yun. Basta. Take care of yourself. Enjoy your day. And I just wish you happiness and success, and alam mo yun, peace of mind. I love you, Iyo. Sorry ngayon ko lang ito ginawa kasi ngayon ko lang nalaman. Ngayon lang ako kasi alam ko talaga photos lang. So ngayon ko lang na-discover na pwede rin pala video. Basta Iyo, I'm so thankful to have you in my life, and looking forward to ilang years pa, more years to come with you by my side. I so love you. You take care of yourself. I'm always proud of you. And see you in December. Okay? Enjoy your day. I love you. Happy birthday.